My video will help you to remove the scary alerts that claim to be related to Microsoft Windows Helpline. And these scary alerts also quote this fake number 888-346-7918. This is a fake Microsoft Windows Helpline number. You should not call it. There are some hackers who actually stand behind all these pop-ups. They try to make you scared about the condition of your computer, to actually make you call this fake number, and if you call it, you will hear some hackers who may try to connect to your computer remotely. Then they will demand from you to pay money to get it fixed. So these pop-ups are faulty and you should not interact with them. Don't call this fake Microsoft Windows Helpline number. Simply leave this page. Now, I recommend that you additionally research your computer and its safety with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to detect and eliminate other possibly hidden threats that could remain on your system. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. So download the program, install it, and start investigating your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.